Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change RAM and hard drive on Dell USFF 7010 desktop, which is ultra slim. So you need to take this screw off, just unscrew it and it stays hanging, and then slide the lid will come off. Now we're gonna have to take the front bezel off. So to take the front bezel off, you need to unclip them, and one here. The front bezel has come off. Now take this off, and if you just pull, this whole part will come off. The RAM stays here, so it's DDR3 RAM. This has 4 GB RAM, so you can put two 8 GBs or two 4 GBs to make it to 8 GB. I'm gonna put the RAM back in. Just make sure you are putting it in the right way. And the RAM clipped in. Now you need to use the smaller hard drives, which are SSD or normal hard drive, small ones. This PC's, the screws are missing, so you put the hard drive in and screw them here, small tiny screws, and connect. This is the setup. Connect both cables, make sure it's gone in properly, and then just put it back on. Now we'll put the lid back on. So there are some hooks here, so make sure it's gone in properly, and then if you just will clip in. And to put the lid back on, just slide in. Once it's placed in place, just make sure that this goes in. This needs to go into the lid, and then tighten the screw. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.